All right, I thought I'd do a little tour of what we got in our garden. This is our this is our raspberry plant. I'm not sure that we're gonna get fruit this year on it, but it's doing really good. This was our strawberry plant. It's still there, so I will probably baby that this winter. But check out our blackberries. One was ready to pick, and there's two more coming in here, but we probably won't get much on this as well. But ooh, it's very thorny. So we're gonna see if we can get a trellis and put this up kind of on a trellis because it's going nutso. But I wanted to show you our garden is still doing pretty good. I'll start over here. My flowers took off, so those did their job for sure. This is green peppers, and I think we have a bunch more coming. As long as weather cooperates, we could probably have a few more of those. And I just picked a whole bunch of green beans, and look at guys, we have a bunch more coming. So we're thinking a good couple of meals for sure. But yeah, there's tons of them on here. I already picked a whole handful. Green beans are so hard to see. There's two more. I got 3 more tomatoes, but look at them all coming in. So like I said, as long as weather cooperates, we'll have a bunch more of those. I picked like 3 red ones, but check them out. Tons of green ones. I'm hoping they all at least turn pink so that I can salvage them. But we're expecting pretty warm weather still. This was onions. They're done. I picked them all. Those did really well for us. This plant, oh my gosh, it has gone nuts. See, it's still growing like outward. Look at this. And these are the little sugar baby yellow tomatoes. I'm gonna have to figure out how to can them or something because they're thriving. See all the green ones there coming again? Sorry about the wind if you can hear it. This was cucumbers. I already picked like 3 of them in here. And there's definitely more coming in. There's a little one there. I picked all the bigger ones that were ready. Oh, here's another baby right here that's gonna be coming in soon. Oh, there's a bunch right there. There's 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, yeah, I'll pick those in a few days because those will be ready. But not too shabby for mid-September. Very happy with what we've got going on. So let's go check the pots on the patio. This is our little gate, so nothing can get in there. Okay. Here's rosemary. That is doing amazing. I'm definitely going to dry that out and do some spices. Over here I do have a couple of onion stragglers. They're just little, so I'll take those in probably here. Don's chili peppers. Those are doing good. He has another pot over there. This is our chives. Never really took off, but we'll use what we have. I just picked 3 jalapenos from here, so those are good. I've got some herbs up here. Italian oregano. So I will be trying that one out as well when it's time. This is our basil. That never did great, but I'll use what I've got and make some pesto. This was lemon thyme, and it's still got a little green on it, but it's not doing great. This is mint. Of course, mint is very hardy, so that does well. Here's another jalapeno plant. There was nothing on this one. But over here, Don's got some chilies coming in. Look at all those. He's gonna make hot sauce out of these, I think. But look at all the green ones. So he's gonna have a pretty good crop of those. So over here, I have just a little bit more cilantro. It's not doing too bad. I replanted that after the first one kind of went. I replanted some more. So we'll see if we get any more of that. This is, I always forget what I put in here. Lavender and German thyme. So those are still hanging on. But other than that, kitty over there eating some grass. So there's a little tour of what our garden, that'll probably be the last garden tour I do, but I think we've done really well this year with our garden. So just wanted to give you an update. I'll show you the basket full here in just a minute. So here's my little basket full. I got 3 cucumbers, pretty good handful of green beans, like, I don't know, 50, 60 tomatoes, probably more, of these little sugar babies. I got 3 red tomatoes, some cucumbers. Look at how perfect that cucumber is. We're gonna cut that up and have cucumber salad with dinner tonight. Oh, and I picked 3 more jalapenos. So you're gonna have to start using those too. So yeah. Oh, and 2 onions. They're over here. So yeah, not too shabby for mid-September. Yeah. From garden to bowl. Nice. Gonna add to my vinegar solution. Vinegar, a little water, salt and pepper. A little onion.
Are you still going to make a little gravy?
I am. I'm just gonna cook those green beans in like the grease. Is that cool?
Yeah.
Or do you want them steamed? So here's our meal. Pork chops with gravy, cucumber salad, all fresh from the garden, and our green beans are from the garden. So let's enjoy. Don's gonna put his gravy on. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Bye-bye. See you next time.